Nobody gets seasick because we ain't eating.
What we gonna eat? Hey guys, it is Saturday. I think it's the 26th. Actually, it's September. Time is flying. September is leaving us. We actually rented a yacht. We're going on a yacht excursion for about 2 hours. This is the harbor where the yacht is. This is so pretty. I'm over here.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
My brother. That's and Ted's my brother. Hi. And the videotaping.
Yes, I am going to. Hi. I'm the mother, so you know I'm going to. How you doing, Debbie?
I'm good. I'm so happy to be on film. Are we filming it for a reason, or?
Yes,
I have family back east that we like to.
Okay. We share
let them know
our experiences in California.
Here. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought, is it someone's like?
No, we live on the east. Our family's all on the East Coast. So.
Oh, okay. Because sometimes people like are surprising someone, and
oh no!
As we're walking over, they're like, "Oh, yeah." I want my San Diego weather back tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's go see where the yacht that we're gonna be on.
Well, here it's normally like 60 without the jacket and even like Christmas Day, 4th of July.
How deep do you think this is?
I don't want to find out. So we're on the deck. Look at that yacht, guys. And let's see where the yacht is that we will be boarding. I think this is the yacht. Wait. Oh wait. This is the yacht right here. And her name is Shared Dreams. This is nice. Go ahead. You want to sit back here? Ooh, yeah, look. Yes. Why, you gonna take pictures?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, okay.
I know, right?
Okay, so if the camera is not steady, that's because the boat is really rocky. It is so nice out here. Oh yeah. It is nice out here on this water. Oh, look at all the sailboats out. Where they going? Okay, so I don't know if y'all can. Here is jellyfish up. Where you go? Darn, we missed him.
Yeah, he was real big.
I hope another one come
I
up.
hope so too.
You gotta be quick.
He was
Yeah, he went right under the water when he. I guess he thought he was too close to the boat.
like, oh, baby.
Wait down. Oh, that's a yacht team. Look at this.
You missed the thing.
Yeah.
That's all it was. They came back up behind.
Oh man.
They said they're going to the beach where they all came on.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they're going to head up.
It is so pretty out here. It is so nice. I see why people oh, look y'all. Y'all wave. That's nice. Montrez, are you enjoying yourself? You look like it. Let me see if I can zoom in on it, y'all. Mind you, if the camera is not steady, it's not my fault. Look at the. What's this? This is the bow?
You better ask him.
No, it's about the front. What is the front of the boat?
Front of the boat. That's what it is.
It's not. It's a. Well, the front of the boat gives you an idea. I was trying to be technical with the terminology.
It's the front of the boat.
I know, right?
They make me sick. I don't know if you can see. We're in the water. No, it didn't go under the water.
Don't bring nothing else up here.
First of all, you brought it up here. Now they got to turn around and go get the hat. They said nothing is supposed to go in the. Look at this, y'all.
What are all them birds?
Are those birds?
Those birds and shit. Ain't this big and shit right there? How they get up there? Oh, there's one right there in the water.
Oh, wait. Where?
You better catch them.
Where?
They're right there. Wait,
You see him now?
I don't see him.
It's a sea lion.
You see him now? Right here in front of me.
Oh yeah, I see him. Wow, he just floating. Oh, now he's swimming. Come this way so we can get a better picture of you. Is he alive?
He alive. He just stuck his head up. See?
Oh my goodness.
This thing that they're on also has wheels so they can drive on the land with it.
Oh my God.
Look at, yeah, you see him?
This one right here.
It's huge.
Right? Look at this one.
He about to jump in.
I got him.
I do too. I'm so excited. So excited. Where's another one at?
I just want to know how they're getting up there.
Look, right there, right in front of you.
right here.
Look.
See him up there? Man, we got a big deal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's what I do by country. Yeah.
What's that white stuff?
Doodle, you see?
That's nasty. Look, we found Nigel. Where's Dora?
I know, right?
Y'all crazy. Y'all got it.
This is where Nigel found.
Oh, running on the
Yeah, trying to get away from.
Yeah, and it was like mine. Yeah.
Yes, this
Does
is
it look
where
like
they
that?
Found Dory. That's her name, Dory. And
Where is the clownfish?
Norman. Not
Wait, is that a seal on? No, it can't be. Is that a seal on top of that board?
no.
No,
What is that on top of the water?
that can't be a seal. Because he wouldn't be able to balance up the look. Oh, that's a bunch of them.
Okay,
No,
who's
that's the
fishing?
pup.
That's the puppies. They just look small.
There is a seal. That is a seal. Right?
That's
Oh,
what
that is wow.
That's what I said. I said,
How did he get up there?
look how he
Just
balanced.
chilling too, like whatever.
Look how he looking at the water.
What is this guy doing?
Why it look like somebody wrote on it?
Probably did. Oh, he is just chilling. Can you please explain to me how he got up there?
He don't want to be bothered.
How did he get up there?
Well, no, we're gonna leave him alone. Oh no, he tagged.
I think most of them have tags.
Oh yeah, I see the tags on it.
Oh, watching where they go.
Yeah, there's one in the water too. And this one fall in the boat.
Where?
This one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he sure is. He curious. He coming.
Y'all too close.
He coming to see what we doing.
Like he's doing that.
He's a good swimmer unless you.
I know, right?
I'm good right here.
Take a picture, Mom.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Now look at this city.
I'm so glad we moved here.
I am too,
We went through
Quanah.
all the bad stuff in the beginning. It was always good.
It was, but it really wasn't that bad because God made sure.
That's true.
God made sure with every step of the way He was with us. So this the boat that went to Iraq. Look at our city, y'all. I'm loving California. When God has something for you, it is for you. Yeah, they up there taking selfies.
Wait.
I hate when these boats cross us with these darn waves.
You thought you was going down, it feels like
That is pretty.
Isn't that pretty? That's what I was looking at.
You know, from Mount Helix, you can see all the way down here. Mount Helix is one of those tall mountains, and like it's one of the tallest mountains. Like the mountain that we stay on,
Yeah.
you can see downtown at night. Like you see
Oh,
way down here,
wow.
you can see Mexico. For real? Yeah. Hold
Oh,
on.
that is a.
Oh, that mountain.
That's the museum.
Boom. I got the. There you go.
You see that? Yeah, he kissing her. Let me see if I can see it. That's that statue that's in a lot of the magazines and stuff. I have. Because I'll be looking for stuff to do in San Diego, and that one keeps popping. Oh, look at the people up there.
hi.
They don't hear.
There we go. See, somebody waved at us.
Let's get this party.
Oh, look. Are those anchors?
Uh-huh. Oh, look at the angles. Those are, yeah.
Oh, we got a plane over there, too.
This down. What part of downtown is this?
The Embarcadero.
Okay, so we're gonna have to come over here and go to the museum.
Yeah, we are. I think we drove past.
It's so nice out here. If I had a boat, I'd come out in the middle of, and just anchor it and go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Let the boat, let the waves rock me to sleep.
That sounds relaxing.
Don't it sound relaxing?
It's too hot right now. I want to plug into the electricity, turn on the air conditioner. In the wintertime, that sounds good.
And I hope you enjoyed that yacht excursion. It was so fun. As y'all can see, I've wound down, taking my makeup off, and I'm also going to probably edit this vlog and upload it. I haven't vlogged for a little while. Just wasn't in the middle state of mind to do it. Didn't really feel like picking up the camera. When I did, it was so sporadic and nothing flowed. I just deleted everything I had. It just didn't make sense to keep it to me. But anyway, wasn't that yacht excursion so nice? Y'all, that was our first time experiencing that, and it will not be our last, because we enjoyed that. I'm going to end this vlog here by saying, never take your time for granted. It's the most precious thing you'll ever have, and once it's spent, it's gone. You can never receive it back. So invest it wisely. Guys, I'll talk to you later. Come spend some more time with us. Bye. Angel hugs, guys.